Hello everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to have problem number 37. Write a program to fill in array elements with random numbers. Then add the even numbers only to array 2. We will fill array 1 with random numbers, and this time we will add not the odd number, the even number. Alright? For example, if the user input 5, output should be the elements of array 1 are 32, 95, 22, 40, 95. The even numbers from array 1 are 32, 22, and 40. So it's same exactly like the previous two lessons, prime and odd, but this time for even. Let's go to Visual Studio, see how we're going to convert this requirement of problem 37 into code. Let's go. This is the solution of problem number 37. Write a program to fill an array elements with random number, then get the even numbers only. All right, to the second array number 2. Let's do run first to see if the program is going to work or not. Please insert how many elements you want to get. 5. Perfect. The elements of array 1 are 30, 26, 67, 45, 58. Only we have 3 even numbers are 30, 26, and 58. Let's go and see how we write it. It's same everything, a strand. We fill the array 1 with the length. We get array elements with random number procedure, and we have another array with length, and we get the even number, which is this one, procedure. Okay, takes the array and array 2 and the length of array 1 and length of array 2. We said if I less than 5, the length is 5. Yes, so if array of I mod 2 equal 0, it doesn't equal 0. So equal 0, add the even number, take the first number because it will be even number if it's even number by using this logic, array of I mod 2 equal 0 to the second length and the second array by using this procedure, add the even number, same also logic inside it, and that's it. That's how we going to print or get the even numbers from the random array that we fill it or we store inside array 1. That was the lesson of today of problem number 37. See you next lesson, next problem.